Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a Drive Shield certified, one owner, 2018 Toyota Sienna Limited. This vehicle is all-wheel drive. Let's take a look at the features inside. This vehicle comes with memory seat functions for 2 different drivers. It has power mirrors, locks, and automatic power windows. It also has power seating, full leather interior. It has a sunroof up top for both the front and rear passengers, as well as a rear DVD player. This vehicle seats 7 passengers. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It also has a heated steering wheel. It comes with a built-in navigation system. It has AM and FM and XM radio, USB and auxiliary inputs, CD player, Bluetooth capabilities. It also has a rear view and 360-degree camera. It has dual climate control, heated seating, Blu-ray player, and many more great features.